Khan Academy is a great tool, and it's useful for more than just supporting what you're learning in the classroom. You can also use it for goal setting and progress for students. There's a goal setting template that I've included in our district portal, and you can download this. It comes with instructions and suggestions on how to best begin goal setting with your students. Start by setting a goal for course mastery, unit mastery, and specific areas you want them to focus on. Once you have your goal in mind, help your students to navigate to khanacademy.org. From here, they can access their dashboard, and in the top left-hand corner, you will see courses. When they select courses, you'll notice that there's a percentage of how much of that particular course they have completed. Now, these are scattered throughout all of the courses, not because I've done all of the courses, but because the standards spiral from year to year. As I work in one specific area, it'll help track across all the standards to see where my mastery lies. Under a course summary, if I select something specific on the left-hand side, I see the major standards and a purple bar that indicates how much of that standard I've mastered. I can go to the individual lessons, and I should get mastery points there as well. If I select any of these, it'll take me right to the standard I want to work with. At the very bottom of each particular course, there's a course challenge. I recommend starting here with your students. It's also at the very bottom, if you scroll down, of all of your different lessons. Start by choosing Start Course Challenge, and let's go. This is very useful for your students because it works as an end-of-unit standardized test. So, in this case, I have 30 problems for this particular standard, and as I work through them, it's tracking my progress, and you'll see that it tells me I did a great job. So let's get one wrong. When I choose check, it says not quite, and then it offers me to get help or to skip this question for now. Let's start by getting help. Now they walk me through how I should solve the problem and even include some videos at the bottom that may be helpful for me. I try to check again and it says, nope, you have to go back and give the correct answer. So let's add the correct answer here, 955, and check again. You'll notice that it marks it as correct, but down here in my counter, it doesn't give me credit for it. I have a green arrow for the one that I got correct, and I have a gray circle for the one that I did not. So let's try another couple questions here. When I'm looking at this particular one, the answer would be 129, and when I check it, that is correct. So you can see that another green arrow has been placed in my progress bar. If I move on to the next question, and I get this one incorrect, 135, and in expanded form, let's do an incorrect answer. Because it has multiple answers, you'll notice that since the whole question was not correct, it's going to offer me that I have some supports and help, or I can skip this question and come back to it later. When I skip the question, it's registered as a gray circle. After I've completed my course challenge, or I can do this with each specific unit, I now know how much mastery I have in that particular area, areas that I can focus on to do better and work at my own pace on the skills that I need to master, and it tracks my progress across all platforms. Now I can transfer my data onto my goal setting sheet and continue learning at my pace.